Kicking things off is the Woodpeckers Mini Combination Square, a beautifully machined precision measuring device designed for intricate, smaller-scale woodworking tasks. This compact square features an indexable head that locks perfectly into place, guaranteeing dead-on accuracy every single time you mark your stock. The high-contrast laser-engraved markings make it incredibly easy to read, even in dimly lit workshop corners. Because of its miniature footprint, it easily slips into your shop apron pocket, so it is always right there when you need it. If you are tired of wrestling with bulky 12-inch squares on tiny joinery projects, this premium little tool is an absolute game-changer. Let's be honest, installing cabinet hinges and drawer slides without a jig is a massive headache. The Milescraft 1344 CabinetPRO completely eliminates that frustration by giving you an all-in-one template system. You simply clamp it in place, and it practically guarantees perfectly aligned cup holes every single time. It completely removes the guesswork from mounting hardware, so your doors never hang crooked again. Instead of wasting hours building custom, single-use jigs for every new kitchen layout, this tool adapts instantly. Whether you are a total beginner or a seasoned pro, this is the ultimate shortcut. It genuinely feels like having an extra set of expert hands in your shop. If you are still squinting at a tape measure on your table saw, you are living in the past. The Big Eye BPM from Harvey Woodworking brings aerospace-level digital precision directly to your fence. You literally just program your desired dimension, and the crisp digital display tells you exactly when to lock down. It completely eliminates test cuts and wasted expensive hardwood caused by tiny manual measuring errors. The internal magnetic sensors are completely immune to sawdust, meaning your readings stay flawlessly accurate all day long. This upgrade turns even an average table saw into a hyper-accurate joinery-making machine. It is an absolute must-have if you demand absolute perfection in your cuts. Forget everything you know about traditional wooden mallets that eventually splinter, crack, or mushroom. Woodpeckers just dropped their practically indestructible polycarbonate series, and they hit like an absolute truck. The solid billet head delivers a massive amount of driving force without leaving a single dent in your workpiece. It pairs perfectly with an ergonomically turned wooden handle that feels perfectly balanced the moment you pick it up. You get the brutal impact power of a dead-blow hammer, but with the soft touch required for fine joinery. Stop replacing your beat-up wooden mallets every few years and invest in one that will outlast you. This is the last mallet you will ever need to buy. What if you could turn any cheap sheet of plywood into an advanced multi-directional clamping station? The Microjig MATCHFIT Grid Router Guide kit lets you route your own custom dovetail tracks directly into your workbench. You completely bypass the massive expense of buying and installing dozens of aluminum T-tracks. This guide system ensures every single groove is perfectly parallel, giving you a flawless grid for infinite clamping positions. Once it is cut, you simply slide the MATCHFIT clamps into the grooves to secure odd-shaped projects anywhere on the table. It is ridiculously easy to set up and completely changes how you approach complex glue-ups. You will honestly wonder how you ever survive the workshop without this custom grid. There is nothing worse than stripping a screw because your drill cannot fit into a tight cabinet corner. The Skil Brushless 20-volt multi-head completely solves this by giving you interchangeable right angle and offset chucks. You can instantly adapt the head to reach into the most awkward, impossible spaces with zero frustration. Despite its incredibly compact size, the brushless motor packs enough torque to drive heavy fasteners all day long. It significantly cuts down on the number of tools you need to drag around the shop. The lightweight design completely eliminates hand fatigue, even during massive assembly projects. This little powerhouse easily outperforms bulky drills when precision and access matter most. Sanding complex curves and intricate moldings is universally the worst part of any woodworking project. Festool's Granite Profile. Abrasives are specifically molded sponges that perfectly adapt to tight inside corners and roundovers. You can finally stop folding standard sandpaper and tearing up your fingers just to get a smooth edge. The premium Granite Grit resists clogging against resinous woods and lasts significantly longer than cheap alternatives. They hold their shape incredibly well, ensuring you don't accidentally flatten out your beautiful custom profiles. They make hand sanding actually bearable and drastically speed up the finishing process. If you want a flawless professional finish without the hand cramps, these are essential. Applying edge banding to plywood usually involves a chaotic mess of masking tape and slipping cauls. Craig's edge band clamps simplify the process with a genius jaw design that applies perfectly focused pressure. They grip the main panel securely while pushing the solid wood edging tight against the glue line. You can effortlessly dial in the exact clamping force needed to prevent the material from bowing or slipping. Because they are so compact, you can stack them side by side to handle long, continuous strips or complex curves. They guarantee a perfectly seamless, professional edge that makes your plywood look like solid hardwood. You will never dread edge banding a massive cabinet project again. Holding the HP8 V2 mini block plane by Bridge City Tool, Works feels like holding a piece of fine jewelry. This absolutely stunning little tool is engineered to give you surgical control over delicate flush trimming and chamfering. It features an incredibly sensitive depth adjustment that allows you to peel off transparent, whisper-thin shavings. The heavy stainless steel body glides across end grain with enough momentum to prevent annoying chatter. You can quickly close the adjustable mouth to completely eliminate tear out on highly figured, difficult woods. It instantly elevates the quality of your work and leaves a surface smoother than sandpaper ever could. This is one of those rare tools that makes you actually want to slow down and enjoy the process. Building flat pack, modular furniture at home just got incredibly easy with the Levoit Precision Doweling Jig Kit. This robust, anodized aluminum system perfectly handles both standard dowels and hidden camlock fasteners. The self-centering design and built-in alignment marks mean you can drill perfectly matched holes in seconds without measuring. It physically locks your drill bit in a perfectly straight path, completely eliminating the risk of misaligned joints. The hardened steel bushings will never wear out, meaning this jig stays perfectly accurate project after project. You can easily connect heavy panels at exact right angles with zero visible exterior screws. It is the ultimate secret weapon for building clean, professional-grade cabinets at lightning speed. Stop destroying your shoulders swinging a heavy sledgehammer to drive stakes and pins. The Wolfcraft SDS Plus driving tool is a brilliant attachment that forces your rotary hammer to do all the heavy lifting. You simply chuck it into your SDS drill, and it transfers massive impact energy directly into your ground rods. It is specifically designed with a cupped head to prevent the steel from mushrooming under extreme force. It absorbs the harsh shock waves, so your hands and wrists don't have to take the beating. Made from hardened industrial steel, it is virtually indestructible even on the most brutal job sites. This one simple accessory will literally save your back and cut your installation time in half. Imagine getting Festool's legendary, ultra-smooth sanding finish without constantly tripping over a power cord. The ETSC2 cordless random orbit sanders deliver zero-compromise performance in a perfectly balanced, battery-powered package. The ergonomic design and lightweight 18-volt battery drastically reduce arm fatigue, especially when sanding vertically. A highly advanced brushless motor maintains perfectly consistent RPMs, even when you lean hard into the wood. The built-in dust collection system works phenomenally well, keeping your lungs safe and your workspace surprisingly clean. It allows you to seamlessly float around large projects without constantly moving a heavy vacuum hose. This is the ultimate freedom for woodworkers who refuse to sacrifice a flawless finish. If your standard shop vacuum keeps clogging and losing suction, you need the Oneida XT14 immediately. This isn't just a vacuum. It uses true cyclonic separation to pull 99% of the dust out before it ever touches the filter. That means the internal HEPA filter stays spotless, giving you maximum, uninterrupted suction power all day long. The massive 14-gallon drop-down drum lets you dump a mountain of sawdust in seconds without making a huge mess. It pulls enough cubic feet per minute to keep the air around your table saw and router completely breathable and clear. It packs industrial-grade dust collection into a compact, easily portable footprint that rolls anywhere. Protecting your lungs and keeping your shop clean has never been this efficient. Permanently bolting a power feeder to your cast iron table saw is a massive commitment you no longer have to make. The Comatic QH03 utilizes incredibly powerful rare earth magnets to lock your feeder instantly to any metal surface. You literally just flip a single switch and it clamps down with enough force to handle the heaviest lumber. This means you can swap your feeder between your shaper, jointer, and table saw in under a minute. It completely eliminates the horrifying task of drilling and tapping holes into your expensive, perfectly flat machinery. It grips securely without budging, offering massive versatility for small shops with limited equipment. This magnetic base is a total game changer for working safer and smarter. A sharp, accurate layout line is the difference between a perfect joint and a sloppy gap. Woodpeckers perfected the marking gauge by using a hardened steel wheel that slices the wood fibers cleanly instead of tearing them. The absolute best feature is the silky smooth micro-adjust dial that lets you lock in dimensions down to the fraction of a millimeter. You get a solid, weighty feel in your hand thanks to the premium brass and stainless steel construction. The cutting wheel retracts completely flush into the face of the tool, so it won't get damaged in your apron. It completely eliminates the frustration of tapping a standard gauge against your bench, hoping for the right setting. This tool guarantees dead-on accuracy for your most critical joinery layouts. Most cordless jigsaws struggle with blade deflection, but the Festool PSCE 18 completely eliminates it. It uses a patented triple blade guide system that keeps your blade perfectly vertical, even on tight, aggressive curves. The brushless motor easily chews through thick, dense hardwoods without ever bogging down or stalling. You can instantly adjust the pendulum action to switch from hogging out material to leaving a glass-smooth finish. It features a brilliant stroboscopic light that syncs with the blade, making it look like it's standing still on your cut line. The barrel grip design allows you to get incredibly close to the workpiece for absolute control. If you demand perfect square cuts without a cord, this saw has no equal. Craig has taken the standard, boring dowel jig and completely reinvented it for maximum versatility. The genius here is the removable drill guides, allowing you to instantly customize hole spacing for any width of wood. You can quickly configure it to drill single, double, or widely spread holes without unclamping the tool. The heavy-duty steel guides completely stop bit deflection, giving you dead straight, perpendicular holes every single time. It clamps down fiercely to your stock, providing an incredibly stable base for aggressive drilling. This kit makes edge-to-edge panel glue-ups and strong frame joints foolproof, even for complete beginners. It is hands down the most adaptable and user-friendly doweling system on the market today. Stop guessing if your stock is thick enough and start using the Trend DC 150 digital calipers. These calipers feature a massive, high-contrast LCD screen that gives you pinpoint accuracy instantly. You can cycle between millimeters, decimal inches, and even standard fractions with just a single button press. The smooth, stainless steel action allows you to precisely measure inside joints, outside thicknesses, and exact depths. The zero setting feature lets you quickly compare two pieces of wood without doing complex math in your head. It automatically powers down to save battery, so it is always ready to go when you reach for it. This is a highly affordable tool that instantly upgrades the precision of your entire shop. This is the Titan Pro Tract from Swan Tool Group, an innovative layout and angle finding system that takes the guesswork out of complex cuts. This heavy-duty protractor track guide is engineered from aircraft-grade aluminum, ensuring it remains perfectly rigid during your most demanding routing or sawing tasks. The ultra-smooth locking mechanism allows you to dial in and secure the exact angle you need with absolute confidence and zero slip. Whether you are laying out angled joinery or guiding a saw across a wide panel, the Pro Tract delivers repeatable, flawless results. It completely eliminates the frustration of trial and error test cuts, saving you both expensive material and valuable time in the shop. Cutting custom stair treads usually involves terrifying math and wasting expensive wood, but not anymore. The Marshalltown Bullet Stair Tread tool is a genius jig that exactly replicates the awkward angles of your stair stringers. You simply expand the jig to fit the space, lock the knobs down tight, and you instantly have your template. You then place the locked jig directly onto your expensive oak tread and trace the perfect cut line. It completely removes the need for test cuts or constantly running back and forth with a tape measure. Built incredibly tough, it won't flex or lose your measurement while you carry it across the job site. This tool turns one of the most stressful carpentry jobs into a fast, completely foolproof process. Throwing away a dull saw blade is a massive waste of money when it probably just needs a good bath. The Rockler Saw Blade Cleaning Kit easily dissolves the burnt-on pitch and resin that ruins your cut quality. You simply drop your 10 or 12-inch blade into the custom-fit soaking pan and let the powerful solution go to work. The included brass brush quickly scrubs away the dissolved grime without scratching or chipping your expensive carbide teeth. Cleaning your blades regularly reduces friction, prevents burning, and drastically extends the life of the tool. You can even toss your dirty router bits into the pan to restore them to factory-fresh sharpness. This 10-minute maintenance routine will literally save you hundreds of dollars in sharpening fees. If you want to build custom furniture that you can easily take apart and move, You need this Wolfcraft kit. It gives you everything required to perfectly install those hidden cam lock fasteners used in high-end flat-pack furniture. The specialized drilling guide aligns the connecting bolt and the cam recess with flawless precision every single time. It completely eliminates the need for complex, time-consuming joinery or covering up ugly screw heads with wood filler. The heavy-duty hardware pulls the joint incredibly tight, creating a mechanical bond that is surprisingly strong. It is the absolute fastest way to build modular cabinets, desks, and shelving units right in your own shop. You get professional, factory-quality results with minimal effort. That wraps up all 20 tools. Which one are you adding to your shop first? Let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more gear that makes your life easier, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to Top Tech Tools. See you in the next video.